It is important to know which food is safe for our birds and which provides nutrients that can help make our pet healthier, stronger, and happier. Number 1 is seed. Our Budgies Diet staple should be a fortified seed mix. A seed mix for budgies, normally labeled for parakeets, should contain mostly millet, canary, and oat groats. It is very important to provide our budgies with a healthy, varied diet which includes fruit and vegetables. Some fresh foods that budgies typically enjoy include fruits such as bananas, orange, mangoes, apples, strawberries, pineapples, and melons. For the vegetables, broccoli, carrot, spinach or kangkong, malunggay, bell peppers or sili, radish, cucumbers, cabbage, cauliflower, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, and corn. There are also some herbs that are safe for them to eat, such as the basil, oregano, and rosemary. Other safe food also includes kale, sprout, boiled egg, and rice. There are several foods which should never be fed to our budgie because they are toxic to birds. These include fruit seeds and pits, avocado, chocolates, fish, onions, and garlic, lemon, lime, sweets, mushroom, coffee, sugar, and salt, and dairy milk-based products, as birds cannot digest the lactose in dairy.
No.
Never let your budgie play with or touch an item unless you know it is safe and non-toxic. Any metallic objects containing heavy metals such as lead, zinc, copper, or brass are poisonous to birds and can poison them simply through contact with beak or skin.
No.
Safe metal includes stainless steel, iron, and ungalvanized tin. Household cleaners and chemicals. We should never let our budgie come into contact with household cleaners or chemicals. Additionally, birds have very sensitive respiratory systems, and we must avoid using aerosol or sprayed products, including cleaners, fragrance, deodorizers, and beauty products. Once you establish that your budgie is healthy, you should spend time every day watching your budgie and learning what behavior, activity level, and eating habits are normal for him or her. This way, you will be able to identify any changes, even subtle ones, that could indicate any illness or problem. I hope you learned something new in this video. And please leave a comment if you have any requests. This is Leonne from TheKairens TV. Don't forget to like and share this video. Stay safe and happy birding. Bye.